Oh, hey, welcome to Wrenching the Race. We're doing a bunch of stuff today. One is reassembling the head that we got back from the machine shop. I've pretty much gone through and done that. Checked the tolerances and the valve lash. Redid a bunch of the shims, reattached the intake, and installed the new valve cover gasket. One of the cool things we just figured out was exactly where top dead center is on the pulley, the camshaft gear. So let's show you this. So right now, number one cylinder,
the bearing fell out of the
camshaft is in the valves are in the uppermost position. This dot represents top dead center for the cam, and as you can see, it's even basically with the top of that. What we've been doing
now would be the time
is
to fucking take
we might have been a tooth off for 2 years. So we'll see how everything goes back together, but it's kind of interesting to see how that works. The other huge thing that's being done today is there's a couple of guys who have decided to pull an engine out of a car.
Good times.
There, say hello to the friends and family plan.
Friends and family.
And you know John.
Hey,
Doctor.
Have any words of wisdom?
he's ready for an exam.
Me.
Anyway,
The pulley.
so they pulled all this stuff off, and this is the first time we've had the motor out of the GTI ever. So we've got all this happening, and we're super excited about redoing this block. And what I believe we're going to do
Not nachos.
is take this block
No problem.
and build it this winter into a high compression block. So so maybe naturally aspirated, we can get about 160 horsepower. Anyway, that's it for now. We're going to try and strip the block, pull the transmission off, clean that up a little bit. It was sparklingly brand new before, but I think it just needs a hose down. And that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. We'll get some more videos up and more content up as soon as we can.
1 second.
That's it for now.
Wait, you're on the bumper.